Children, in our previous class we studied about the numbers. Today we will see some more examples of the multiplication of decimal numbers. Multiplication of decimal numbers. Take one example here. The side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. Perimeter means it is the sum of all the sides. Solution: all the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Equilateral triangle means, children, the triangle in which all the sides are equal, and all the angles will be here 60 degree. So length of each side. So length of each side equals to 3.5 centimeter. Thus perimeter equals to here in a triangle there will be 3 sides. 3 into here one side is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Multiply here. First you ignore the decimal point and multiply 35 into 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 10. Here 105. Here only one decimal point is, one digit is there in the rightmost place after the decimal point. So after one digit from the right to left you give the decimal point here, that is 10.5 centimeter. So the perimeter is here 10.5 centimeter. Take another example. The length of a rectangle is 7.1 centimeter and its breadth is 2.5 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle? What is the area of the rectangle? Solution: here the length of the rectangle has been given here. Length of the rectangle, take it as a L, equals to 7.1 centimeter, and breadth of the rectangle, equals to 2.5 centimeter. Breadth, it is denoted by B, small b, equals to 2.5 centimeter. Therefore area of a rectangle equals to L into B, that is length into breadth, equals to length is 7.1 centimeter into breadth is 2.5 centimeter. Multiply now. Ignore the decimal point. Multiply 71 into 25. 25 ones are 25. 25 sevens are 25 sevens are 175 plus 2 177. Here see children, here one digit is there in the rightmost place, here also one digit is there in the rightmost place, total 2 digits here. Therefore you have to give after 2 digits the decimal point, counting from the right to left, 1 2, that is 17.75 centimeter square. Next we will study about the multiplication of 10, 100 and 1000. Multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000. Here consider some examples here children. Consider first 1.76 into 10. You can write this as 1.76 means it is 176 by 100 into 10. This means cancel 1 0 here, 176 by 10. Here 1 0 is there, after 1 digit give the decimal point here, that is 17.6. Next take 1.76 into 100, that is 176 by 100 into 100. Here 100 both cancels here, equals to 176, or you can write it as 176.0. 1.76 into 1000. This equals to 176 by 100 into 1000. Here cancel 2 zeros here. 176 into 10 equals to 1760, or you can write it as 1760.0. See children, now some examples here. You fill in the blanks those. 2.35 into 10, 2.35 into 100, 2.35 into 1000. See children, by observing these three you can fill up the blanks here. 2.35 into 10. See here children, 1.76 into 10 you got here 17.6. See here, observe here 1.76 and 17.6. Here the decimal point is shifted to the right side by one place. So here 2.35 into 10 it becomes 23.5. Similarly 2.35 into 100. Observe 1.76 into 100. Here you got here 176.0. Here the decimal point is shifted by 2 digits to the right side. Therefore 2.35 into 100 you can write it as 235.0, or it is 235 35. 1.76 into 1000. Here you got here 1760 or 1760.0. Here the decimal point is shifted by 3 digits to the right side. Therefore, you can write it as 2350.0 or 2350. Take some more examples, children. 12.356 into 10 equals to 12.356 into 100 equals to 12.356 into 1000 equals to. See, shift the decimal point to the right side by one place here. You will get here 123.56. Similarly, 12.356 into 100. By observing the previous examples, you will get here. Shift the decimal point by 2 places to the right side. 1235.6. Next, 12.356 into 1000. Here shift the decimal point by 3 places to the right side. You will get here 12,356.0 or it is 12,356. See children, you observe all these examples, you will notice one thing here, that is here both in the product and the multiplicand the numbers are same here, that is 176, in the product also 176. Here observe 2.35 into 10, here the product also 23.5, here also 235 is there, in the product also 235. Similarly, in 12.356 into 10, you got here 123.56. In the here both in the product and the multiplicand the numbers are same here. Means here the numbers will not change in the product, only the decimal point is shifted to the right side by as many zeros are there in the multiplier. Understood children? See, here 1 0 is there, the decimal point is shifted to the right by one place. Here 2 zeros are there, the decimal point is shifted to the right side by 2 places. Here 3 zeros are there, the decimal point is shifted to the right side by 3 places. See, you can say that by how many zeros are there over 1. That many places the decimal point will be shifted to the right side in the product. See children, here 1 0 is there over 1, here 2 zeros are there over 1 and here 3 zeros are there over 1. So, as many zeros are there, the decimal point will be shifted to the right side in the product. So, you can say that when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100 or 1000, the digits in the product are same as in the decimal number, but the decimal point in the product is shifted to the right by as many of places as there are zeros over 1. See children, based on these observations you can say that when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100 or 1000, the digits in the products are same here. The digits in the products are same, but the decimal point in the product is shifted to the right by as many places as there are zeros over 1. Means as many zeros are there over 1 here, that many places the decimal point is shifted to the right side. See children, based on this observe, say that 0.07 into 10 equals to, see children, 0.07 into 10. Here 1 0 is there over 1. Here you shift the decimal point to the right side by 1 place. You will get here 0.7. Next take 0.07 into 100. Here 2 zeros are there over 1. Here shift the decimal point by 2 places. You will get here 0 0 7.0, means it is only 7. 0.07 into 1000. 0.07 into 1000. Here 3 zeros are there over 1. Shift the decimal point by 3 places to the right side. You can take it as 007 0.0, that is equals to 70. See children, now take 2.97 into 10. Here 1 0 is there over 1. Shift the decimal point to the right side by 1 place. You will get here 29.7. Take 2.97 into 100. 2 zeros are there over 1. Shift the decimal point to the right side by 2 places. You will get here 297.0 you can write. Otherwise it is 297 you can write here. 2.97 into 1000. 3 zeros are there over 1. Shift the decimal point by 3 places to the right side. Here only 2 digits are there. Add one more 0 here, because you want here 3 digits in the right side after the decimal point. You will get here 2970.0, or it is 2970. Understood children? Today we studied about the multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Next we will solve the exercise in our next class. Thank you.